Some species in the bird world possess other abilities than flying. The ostrich and the roadrunner, for example, can run even faster than a record-breaking Olympic athlete. If a man were to enter a 100-meter sprint against an ostrich and a roadrunner, he would stand no chance at all. An Olympic champion can run at 39 kilometers an hour, whereas the ostrich can manage up to 60 kilometers per hour. Every stride of its long legs takes it some 3 meters. These birds are one of the fastest athletes in the living world. Penguins are also a species of bird, although they use their short wings to travel through the sea, not the air. These delightful creatures, which look so clumsy on the land, really look as if they are flying once they enter the water. If a swimming race were to be held between them and human beings, it is again we who would lose, as penguins can swim 3 times faster than an Olympic gold medal winner. They also expend a lot less energy when doing so. The reason for that is that their bodies have been designed for the task. They move through the water just like speedboats and are some of the fastest swimming land dwellers on Earth.